What's up, y'all? It's your boy Bishop the DJ in the house, chilling tonight. But I thought I'd start making some more videos. After I made the video for the military black Jordan 4s, I thought I'd go through my collection and start showcasing some of my favorite kicks that I wear. I'm not into reselling anymore like I used to be. I used to be real heavy into it, but the way these new resellers then took over the market and how they done fucked it up with all these fake kicks that they were selling people, it started getting real hectic. I got tired of people always asking me about the box and about this and about that, instead of actually checking out the actual shoe. But anyway, I want to talk about Foamposites. I'm in Baltimore, so when Foamposites hit the market down here, nickname for the shoe used to be called dope dealers. Then they shortened it to dopes. I don't know what they call them in DC or New York, but it was almost like because of the price tag. Because you know, at the time when phones first came out, well, when they first came out, I think they was going from like 160 or 190 or something like that, but nobody was fucking with them. Nobody was feeling them. I didn't really start getting into them until the eggplant joints came out. All in all, I had a shitload of them. I had about 30 pairs. And right at the height, Nike just started coming out with these dumb colors for them. After a while, I got tired of this shit. Colorways that I wanted to buy, they never came out with. The ones I did want, they were way too expensive for me to cop, so I started selling all of mine. But I ended up keeping one pair, and I recently bought another pair. This is one of my favorite pairs right here. It's a little worn. I had these since the beginning of the pandemic, believe it or not. I used to wear these a lot. And then, you know, I'm a fan of New York Knicks colors, so anything that had the New York Knicks colors or similar to it, I used to cop the shit out of those. Anything. It didn't matter what it was. If it had New York Knicks colors in it, I was rocking it. But anyway, this is I bought these maybe about 2 years ago. Like I said, right at the beginning of the pandemic, everybody was in the house. I was just ordering shit online. They happened to have it on Jimmy Jazz's website, and they was on sale for like $160. So I ended up getting a pair. Started getting back into them. But my prized possession, like I said, I only got 2. I love these. Let me show you the ones I did get though. I can't even pronounce the name, so don't even hold me to that. Can you see it? I got the black pair. I love this shoe. I love the design on it. I had these for about a month now. I also copped them from my favorite site, GOAT. And I always do express shipping when I order my kicks, so I got them pretty quick. GOAT is really good at delivering when you ordering your stuff. Not so much for StockX, and I can say that that's a fact. Because I've ordered a lot of stuff off of StockX. Never got any fake shoes, but it took forever and a day. I mean, I understand it because they're getting them from other resellers, and they're like the middleman, and it takes forever and a day for those resellers to actually ship out the shoes for real. So for whatever reason, StockX already got something that's already verified, so I usually get the verified pair. When the price went down like $100 on them, I paid like 5 and some change for these. I got them, but I love this shoe. I love the new design. Like I said, in Baltimore, they used to call them dope dealers, so I had so many pairs. So when I bought these and started rocking them, a lot of people didn't even know what they were. They were just looking at my feet. Yo, are they the new dopes? They the new joints? Where you get them from? I never seen them, because you know they didn't come out in every. I think it was like a limited edition. I don't know. I heard about it late. I heard about them real late. They only came in black and white. Y'all know this. It's my favorite pair of joints. I wear these a lot. Just look at that design. Compared with these, I like them both, but I hope that they start making some more. But I know this was a collaboration. I got all that joint, all that stuff inside the box. They was talking about it. But talking about the collaboration, I looked it up online and everything. This is a pretty nice shoe. And, you know, Foamposites are pretty good. You got to be really hard on kicks to fuck up a pair of Foamposites. Dead ass. Just look at that. It's beautiful. I just like to show this off, and this is like when I want to be out and about and I want to show off my gear. I wear all my good shit. Like I might rock it with this, with my Gucci joint. Throw the jewels and shit on. Rock it with this. What y'all think? I'm gonna be making videos, like I said, of my favorite kicks. I got a couple pair. I'm a Jordan 3 and Jordan 4 fanatic. I got other pairs. I got one pair of Jordan 1s. I think 2 pair of 5s. Yeah, 2 pair of 5s. Three pair. I got a lot. I got a lot of joints all scattered all over the place. To me, a lot is like 30, 40 something pair. I think I got 40 pair altogether. But I just wanted to showcase certain joints. And this one right here, we're going for these Foamposites. This is a beautiful shoe. And I got some more videos. I'm gonna be posting maybe like one every week or 2 times out the week or something like that, just to show y'all what I'm rocking, what I got. I might even decide to rock these tomorrow. I fuck with it though. What y'all think? Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think. If you got a pair, if you fuck with phones, don't matter. Just let me know what you think.